A pleasant day to everyone. Hello, I am Diana P. Rodriguez from ICT College's Taytay Campus. Today, we are discussing the Chapter 2 titled Creating Database in MS Access. The objective of this chapter are to help us identify the components of MS Access, since we'll be creating a database and need to be familiarized with it. Next is we will also discover the different data types used in MS Access. So, mamaya matatalakay natin yan. And then lastly, we will learn to create a database in MS Access. In this chapter, we will be covering the basic process of starting access and creating a database. Before we create a data, we need to be familiarized in data types where each field in a table has properties defines field characteristic and behavior. The most important property for a field is its data type. A field data type determines what kind of data it can store. MS Access supports different types of data, each with a specific purpose. Here are some of the most common data types you will find used in a typical Microsoft Access database. The first type of data is short text. It is a text or combination of text and numbers, including numbers that do not require calculating. For example, phone numbers. It is up to 255 characters. Next one is long text. Lengthy text are combination of text and numbers, up to 63,999 characters. The next type of data is number. Numeric data used in a mathematical calculation. 1, 2, 4, or 8 bytes. 16 byte if set to replication ID. The next type of data is date and time. Date and time's value for the years 100 to 999 years. The next one is currency. Currency value and numeric data used in mathematical calculation involving data with 1 to 4 decimal places. Next is auto number, a unique sequential number or random number assigned by Microsoft Access whenever a new record is added to table. Here are some of the other more specialized data types you can choose from Access. The first specialized data types is attachment. Files such as digital photos. Multiple files can be attached per record. This data type is not available in earlier version of Access. Next is OLE object. OLE object can store pictures, audio, video, or other BLBS or binary large objects. Third one is hyperlink. Text or combination of text and numbers stored as text and used as a hyperlink address. Next is lookup wizard. The lookup wizard entry in data type column in the design view is not actually a data type. When you choose this entry, a wizard starts to help you define either a simple or complex lookup field. Next is calculated. You can create an expression that uses data from one or more fields. You can designate different result data types from the expression. So these are all the different data types that you can choose when creating field in a Microsoft Access table. So I will teach you how to create database in MS Access na. So when you create a database, you store your data in table. So before you create table, carefully consider your requirements and determine all the tables that you need. So first, sa pag-create ng database, we need to open, syempre, ang ating MS Access. And then, makikita nyo, yan. Click nyo lang yung bank database. And then, hintayin natin mag-loading. Ayan. And then, makikita nyo dyan yung table 1 and sa ilalim nun is my ID. So, pwede nyo itong i-rename ang table 1. pwede niya yung palitan ng employee ID. So, i-rename lang natin yan by right-click. So, wait lang, baguhin muna natin. Ayan, nabago na natin. Ginawa natin yung table natin, pinangalanan natin TBL employee. And then, punta lang tayo sa baba. Makapunta tayo dito sa field name and data type. I-click nyo lang yung design view sa baba. Yan. And then, pwede na tayo maglagay ng field name and then data type. So, for example, employee ID. So, ang data type niya ay syempre auto number. First name. Data type niya is short text. Last name. Data type niya short text din. Minsan nag-auto yung data type, pero syempre, kailangan nating i-sure din. Pwede mo yan siyang palitan. So, address 1, short text din siya. Address 2, same. Sa address 1, short text lang din. City. Short text din yung city, ah. State, short text din. Yung zip, same, short text lang din. And then, phone, short text din. And phone type. Wait, phone type. Same, short text din. So, isa-save natin. And then, punta tayo sa datasheet view. And then, ayan, pwede na nating fill upan yung table na ginawa natin. For example, Diana Rodriguez. Wait. Rodriguez. Address 1. Santa Ana. Address 2. San Lorenzo. City, Taytay, Rizal. State natin, Philippines. Zip natin, example lang to 5655. Phone is 0987679664. Phone type natin is telephone. So, ayan. Ganyan lang kadali mag-create ng data type. Pwede mo din siyang dalawa or madami siyang pwedeng gawin. Pwede din maramihan siya. Hindi lang pwedeng isa yun. Mag-enter ka na mag-enter ng data sa table na ginawa mo. Pwede. As long as na-fill upan mo yung table. So, that's it. So, ayan, I hope na may natutunan kayo. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye! I hope you have a good day.